see what we got here. And this outlet, they got Epic React Planet 2, 69, more Planet. Come on, we got some empty racks. Oh no. Some running shoes. Nike Renew Run, $54.99. More empty racks. And we got some dead shoe, $49. Some training shoes, Nike React Metcon, $69. They got some Air Max 2017. Hey, Vapor Max Flyknit 3, $129. Oh no, that is B grade. Yep, that is B grade. But I can't see anything. It is clearly showing it is a B grade, but hey, still $129. So expensive. This Air Max 2090 is kind of nice box. Good looking box though. More Air Maxes. Air Max 3 retail. Air Max 270 React, $109. Air Max 2090, $99. More Air Maxes 2090, $109, $109, $109, $109, $109. So they got the Kill Shot 2 leather, $64.99 in my area, $39.99. Nike React Vision, $79.97. Signal, $89. Tourism Type, $99. Well, how about Air Force One Mid, $107. $95. And boxes shows B grade. Okay, so this is the B grade down here. That's the defect. Nike Air Racer Ghost Racer, $49.97. Some Joyride CC, $59.97. Nike Time Machine, $34.97. Triple Light. Okay, the price on this one, Blazer Mix 77 Vintage, retail is $110, selling for $79.97. This one is much better. Blazer Mix 77, same retail $110, selling for $59.99. Hey, look at this one. Lebron Soldier, $99. More Lebron on $79. And we got Mamba Fury, $64.97. And we got empty racks, $59.97 on these PGs. PG4, $59.97. More Tyrese, $49.99. Well, they got the grade of the Carmine. But hey, we got some Adapt down here. Retail? Retail $350, selling for $219. Go check it. Okay, here on Hashwall, Air Jordan, one center court, $74.99. Size 11, slightly used. Oh, those ones are not used. Looks like they had it on the store. Really? Man, $74.99. Well, check it out. Well, for personal, it is already good price, but for resale, pass. Okay, that's it down here. Now let's go in here in the clearance wall. Let's see what we got here in the women's section. We got 99 on the React Infinity. Well, not much going on here on women's section. Anything else? Please give me something. And it's nothing good, but hey, this one is crazy. What is this? Air Max up. Let's see the grade school. There's some Arcadia 34. Well, they got the good ones here in the grade school. $69.99 on this Lebron. More Lebron. $114. Kyrie's got classic Air Max 90. Let's see what you got here in the grade school clearance wall. More here in the women's section. Anything good? No, this one is cheap, but quality is bad. Come on, empty racks. So we're done here. We're gonna pay for the stuff that we got. Alright, taking 2 pairs.